Okay, today I'm doing a Flexi Rod set on my daughter, and I'm using the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Mousse by the Main Choice. And you guys, it smells so good. And at first I thought this is more for like if you wear your hair in a wash and go style, but it said it's 4 roller sets. The only thing is her hair wanted to curl up so much with this. And it came out beautiful, but it just had a more crunchier hold than what I would like. Okay, now I'm gonna just start with the smaller section. And I'm just gonna clip the other side up. Now I'm going to apply the mousse. And then I'm going to use my dimming brush to detangle to make the hair really smooth. And now I'm going to take the Flexi Rod, and when you do this, I'm actually going to start from the root. I don't know if people do it differently, but I'm going to start from the root, and then I'm just going to wrap it around, smoothing it down. And then when you get to the ends, you can just kind of smooth it with your fingers. You can add a little more mousse if you need it. But just make sure it's not curly at the end. And then I'm just bending it so it will stay. I'm bending the top and the bottom. And make sure it's secure on the root. You don't want it loose because you'll end up with puffy roots. And as you can see, I'm doing the same thing for the next one. Just make sure the root is really smooth and it's tight. Not too tight to where it's uncomfortable, but it's tight to where all your hair is kind of smoothed down, laid. And just keep watching me. And I might speed up the video a little bit, but all I'm adding is the mousse, detangling with my dimming brush, and twisting around the Flexi Rod, starting from the roots to the end. Okay, you guys, I had her sit under the dryer for an hour and a half. And then I'm now just taking the rods out. Her hair is completely dry. Okay, you guys, I put some oil on my hands by the Main Choice while I separate her hair. And I'm just kind of twirling it around my finger the way I place the rods. And I'm going to do that with each one. Okay, after I do this, I'm going to add some edge control to lay those edges. And I'm using the Main Choice, the 4-leaf clover line. And it's the Manageability and Softening Remedy Stubborn Edges Freezing Gel. Now, honey, this gel works good. But you have to move quick because it will harden quick. But it will lay those edges. It's really good on like 4B, 4C types of hair. It works really good. Alright, you guys, as we're coming to the end of this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and go ahead and comment down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this Flexi Rod set, and I will be doing plenty more on different types of hair soon.